Welcome to Sonal's Food Channel. Today we'll see how to make Choco Vanilla Marble Cupcakes. So first let's prepare the chocolate batter, for which you will need 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. These are the dry ingredients. Once you have taken all of them, just whisk together everything so as to mix well. And then keep this aside. Now take the wet ingredients, for which you need 1 egg, and whisk this egg until the yolk and the egg white mixes well. Then add in 1/4 cup of oil. You can use vegetable oil or canola oil. 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon curd or yogurt, and 1/2 to 3/4 cup of sugar as per your sweetness level, and whisk everything together until the sugar is dissolved and it forms a even textured mixture. Then it's time to mix the wet and the dry ingredients. So just pour in the wet mix in the dry mix and fold it in together so as to form a smooth paste. After it's mixed well, our chocolate batter is ready. So now let's go ahead and make the vanilla batter, for which you need 1½ cups of whole wheat flour, 2½ to 3 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix everything well together and keep it aside. Now it's time to make the wet ingredients. For this, take 2 eggs, and just like the chocolate batter wet ingredients, the ingredients are the same, but it's only in the double quantities, so the ingredients and the process remains the same. So after the eggs are mixed well, add 1/2 cup of oil, 2 times of 1/3 cup of milk, and 2 teaspoon vanilla essence, and put about 1 and 1/4 cup of sugar, and mix everything well until the sugar is dissolved. Then finally mix the wet and the dry ingredients just as the chocolate batter, by just folding in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Do not overmix, otherwise you will get tough cupcakes. If in case the batter seems a little stiff, you can add some more milk if required, but just add in 1 tablespoon quantity at a time. Now both the batters are ready, so let's go ahead and assemble them. For this, first line the muffin tray with the cupcake liners, or sprinkle in the non-stick spray or something, and then fill in 1 spoon of vanilla batter into each cupcake mold, after which add 1 spoon of chocolate batter, and likewise go on repeating until the cupcake mold is more than half filled. And then using a toothpick, just swirl in the batter in order to form the marble texture. Likewise, I have filled up the complete tray, and we need to bake this on a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the toothpick comes out clean. So 15 minutes are done. Now let's check with the toothpick if they are done properly. So insert a toothpick and ensure that it comes out clean, as we see here. So our chocolate vanilla marble cupcakes are ready. Thank you for watching and hope you have liked the recipe. For more such interesting and easy recipes, keep watching Sonal's Food channel and do not forget to subscribe.